going to go through the process of creating a 2D swept toolpath. We will go through two different examples. Here we're going to start with a column with a profile cut into it. We will assume that the profile has been cut by a profile tool, and we're just going to use the 2D swept toolpath to clean out the corner here. I've already created the geometry for this, so we'll start by going to Toolpaths, down to Wireframe, and over to 2D Swept. We'll click OK, and we'll select our cross contour. We can use a partial chain to select this by selecting the start of our line, reverse our arrows, and select the end point. Next, we'll select our along contour, and in this case I just want to show you how to use a color mask by going to Options, activating color, and here we'll set it to just select geometry that's this burgundy color, and click OK. This will allow us to leave our chaining in a closed chain. Then we can select that burgundy chain and click OK. Here we want to indicate the intersection point for the across and along contour. We'll select an appropriate tool and go to our parameters. You'll need to adjust these appropriately for your part and click OK. And we can see that our toolpath has been created to clean out that corner. Moving on to our second part. Here we have a shaped molding. We're going to start by creating our 2D swept toolpath. And again, we'll start by selecting our across contour. And now our along contour. Click OK and select our point. And again, we'll select an appropriate tool and review our parameters and click OK. So here it's created our swept toolpath. However, we do need to clear out any existing material here first. So we can use a C-hook by clicking on our icon or pressing Alt-C on our keyboard, and we'll scroll down to Swept 2R. In this case, I'm going to allow a zigzag toolpath, and we can adjust how our roughing toolpath does act, and click OK. Now we can see that our toolpath is clearing out any existing material that would be above our profile initially. If you liked this video, please visit our site at inhousesolutions.com for more tips, tricks, and how-tos, and like us on your favorite social media feed.